If you're an aspiring medical science liaison, then your LinkedIn page is essentially the website for your job search. So how can you maximize your ability to be found? That is the topic of this aspiring MSL Insight. My name is Michael Pietrack, and I head up the medical affairs recruiting at K. Bassman International. And I'm also the host of the Pharmaverse Podcast. I've been placing MSLs since 2007, and one of the biggest mistakes that aspiring MSLs make is on their LinkedIn profile. So here are the 3 biggest mistakes that you should avoid. The first mistake tends to be on the profile picture. In a matter of milliseconds, your profile picture creates an impression, so make sure you are sending the right message. If you have your pharmacy graduation picture, you may be seen as too junior. Or if you use a wedding picture where you have like one of those giant corsages, you might not be seen as professional enough. So get a professional headshot in a suit or in a lab coat. The second mistake is that the words medical science liaison or MSL don't exist in your profile. You have to think of your profile as your website. Anyone setting up a website is also thinking about search engine optimization or SEO. The people searching for you are using words like medical science liaison or MSL and your therapeutic area. So make sure those keywords are in your profile. The third mistake is that your therapeutic area is not prominently shown. The most prominent part of your page is your headline. That's the part right below your name. That's going to get them to click into your profile and select you for an outreach. So make sure your therapeutic area is not only in your profile, but in your headline. Remember, multiple therapeutic areas don't strengthen your profile because they want a subject matter expert. This is especially true in specialty areas like oncology and neuroscience. So avoid these 3 common mistakes, and your profile will drive more viewers like a website with good SEO drives more business. Still many more aspiring MSL insights to come, so subscribe to this page to not miss a single one of them. And if you've liked this content, like or comment too. And also, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Let's keep in touch. Thanks.